In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section in Elementor, a vital skill for anyone looking to build or customize a website using this powerful WordPress plugin. Whether you're new to web design or looking to enhance your skills, understanding how to effectively use Elementor to structure your pages can make a big difference in the look and functionality of your website. Let's get started. First, navigate to the page where you want to add a new section. Once you're on that page, you'll notice an option that says Edit with Elementor. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Elementor editor, a feature-packed, user-friendly interface that allows you to build and style your web pages. Now that you have Elementor open, direct your attention to the main page canvas, the central workspace where all the magic happens. Hover your cursor over an empty area. This could be anywhere on the canvas where a section doesn't currently exist. As you hover, keep an eye out for the plus icon, which will appear invitingly, signaling that you're ready to add a new section. You're going to want to click on that plus icon. It's your gateway to creating new sections and laying out your web page just the way you want it. Upon clicking the plus icon, you'll be prompted to choose a column structure. If you're new to Elementor, this simply means deciding how many columns wide you want this new section to be. The options are generally quite flexible, ranging from a single column to multiple columns. Choose the structure that best suits your vision for this section. For instance, if you want a clean, simple design, a single column might be ideal. If you're looking to add more complexity or balance to the page, you could opt for 2 columns or even more. This choice will shape the initial grid of your section, setting the groundwork for the content you'll add next. And there you have it, a newly created section in Elementor. With this newly added section, you can now start dropping in widgets and content to expand your page. Feel free to experiment. Elementor is crafted to make web design intuitive and fun, so don't hesitate to try different layouts and see what works best for your vision. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with these tools, the more expertise you'll gain. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos where we dive deeper into other Elementor features. Until next time, happy designing!